Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is day 2 of my DIY guest room. So we're just sitting outside right now getting things prepared. You guys don't worry about me. I was like, what, 7 months pregnant right here, just trying to get things ready for this extra bedroom. So I'm super excited, guys. So I'm just using my baby saw right now, but as you guys will find out soon, the baby saw did not end up working. But you guys just bear with me. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you can give your tips and input. We're here to hear them all. No negativity, because I'm not going to have it. But it is what it is. You guys have a great one, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right. Bye-bye. So guys, we just try to use our baby saw, but it's too small to go through the wood completely. So now we have to bring out the big saw, and we have to make space in the patio to do so. But this project is slowly coming together. And I'm tired and I want this thing done now, but I can't rush the process. All right. 91. But it could be at 90 because look at the sides.
We kind of want it to be as flush as possible. That's what I learned from that one guy.
But remember with all those grains that's going on? You gotta be careful. Yeah.
Just double check. Okay.
So Ben basically just cleaned up the whole patio, guys. He just helped organize this whole spot and put everything away from the area so we can build our frame. And this is how crazy the patio is looking right now, but it's for the greater cause. Smells like good chopped wood in here. Oh my god. Oh, it fit. Is it snug?
Hold on. Let me just double check.
Oh, it's in there. Oh, this feels great.
Yeah.
We're getting somewhere. Look at that, guys. It's in. Check this out. Guys, it's in there. So this is, we already have our pressure treated. Pressure treated. And it's snug, bro.
Yep.
You know what we should do? Probably seal it, huh? While it's there.
No, we can't do yet till we build the frame. We have to build the frame.
Treat it, seal it, so make sure no bugs get in there.
We do all that good stuff.
Oh, no, we have to scoot it in just a little bit so there's room for the drywall or the wood.
The chips?
No, scoot this in just a little bit so there's room for there you go, right there. So there's room for the wall, the wood.
Oh, yeah.
The piece of wood. There you go.
The plywood.
Yeah, right there. Okay, that's it. It's good. It's already in. I scooted it.
Alright, I'm gonna cut this.
You ready? Yeah. But let me help you stabilize this.
No, you're good.
I stabilize on the back. It's okay.
Okay. How you like them toes? The grip.
Good job.
I hope they don't get cut off.
You better not. Like, I ain't got no insurance, no shit. Hey, is your thing is not stable, you know that, right?
That's fine. That's what you're here for.
No, it's gonna move. It's gonna move. Make it stable. Hold on, wait. Stabilize it. Move your feet.
Oh, I see what you're saying. It's not like all the way down.
Yeah.
Huh. Then that was not all the way down either. Huh. I didn't realize that.
Okay.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Saved my life there. Saved my life.
All right, guys. So please do not try this at home. I do not want to be held responsible for your toes getting cut off or any ligaments. So as you can tell, if you're ever working in one of these woodworking areas, you must always have the proper shoes on and the proper materials like clamps and stuff like that. My little cousin just wanted to use his feet after I specifically told him put on some shoes. He was like, no, I'm just going to use my feet. And I also helped in the back by holding the wood. We were just trying to hurry up and get it done. and beat the sunlight and get the frame done that day. And you guys, don't worry about me lifting wood or whatever. My doctor said I was okay. I can do little things as long as I'm bending down properly, which I found out later that I wasn't. But I learned how to bend down while I'm being pregnant, which is symmetrical to my legs and my arms. Do not do any big twists. Just keep it simple. And that's what I did. So we're basically just making sure everything fits from the top to the bottom. And it did eventually. So we were super excited about that. Yay. Guys, do not copy me. There are so many other videos on YouTube that you can copy on how to do stuff like this. But him screwing that nail in so close to his foot had me freaking out. Everybody thinks I'm super neurotic after being pregnant for so long. They just think I'd be freaking out. But look how close it was to his foot, though. Seriously, if something would have happened, I wouldn't know like how to deal. But thank God everything ended up being okay. Yeah. And we had to screw that in a couple times too just to get it right. It was just super scary watching that happen so close to his foot without, proper protection. And this is his first time ever doing this, so, Watch the fan. There it is. It's hard. Is it heavy?
It is heavy.
Ah, that's so crazy. This is amazing. It took 2 hours an hour and a half to make this. Let me find the soft tip hammer. Yay, my husband came home from work and he came and helped us. And that's when we realized that the shimmies that we added at the very bottom made the frame too high, so we had to take it down and fix it. But that was another 20 minutes. But here's the next day. I was so excited. I was like, let me get started on this wall. So I went and got some exterior primer. Did I get it? Yeah, I went and got exterior primer, Kills exterior primer for the walls. Exterior primer, yeah, because this is still the patio. So I was like, it was, exterior latex paint. So I went and got it. I tried to use the paint sprayer that I bought from a yard sale up the street from this old man. You guys got to be careful for these older people. Just because they're older, that does not mean that they are more innocent or more truth-telling or whatever, because they can all be con artists anywhere you go. especially those old,
to see what's
nicer
going
faces.
on. I took it out. I pressed it. I tried to. Let me see if I. When you press it, actually, like, I was so excited to paint. I did a great job, except the fact that I didn't cover my face with the painting. That's not good. So I ended up having to run to the room and just lay down for like an hour. I spent an hour in the tub just relaxing and letting my body calm down. I'm really sad about it because I could have really hurt myself and I could have hurt the baby. But thank goodness, I was able to get some fresh air and I was able to lay down so I could finish this project. As you guys can tell with the air sprayer situation, there's something going on. I'm not sure. Hopefully he can figure it out. I tried to figure it out for like a whole hour it took for my painting. Because I was literally sitting there trying to figure out how to work this air sprayer. But the next thing I'm willing to do is there's supposed to be a hole in it. That's probably what's going on. The suction that's supposed to be happening, for some reason, instead of sucking it up, it's blowing it out, which is causing a lot of confusion in the mix of things. So she's got her afro out today. Wow, I almost ran the red light. I don't even have my seatbelt on. What am I doing?
Hey guys, thank God I got my cousin. He came through. Right now he's just helping me finish priming the walls. Those are the plywoods that's going on the 2 walls. We had to protect it from the weather just in case, because the patio is part indoor outdoor, and we're gonna finish painting the walls. He got tired as well from painting the walls, so I had to run to Home Depot and get me a new sprayer because the other one was just not working. But thank God for him. Shout out to Ben. Hey guys, so Ben is just finishing the walls right there, and I'm super excited because nightfall did catch us, but it's all good because we got the first wall done, and that's what we wanted. We wanted the first wall framed. So good news, I ended up using my leftover water-based primer instead of the exterior primer because we ran out of a bucket and we didn't even get half the wall done. So I was pretty pissed off about that because I think the bucket was about like $30 for the exterior primer, but we used the water-based interior primer for the rest of the wall, and I got more coverage and it adhered better to the wall than the actual exterior primer, so which is kind of weird to me still because I don't understand that, but it worked well. Shout out to the lovely lady at Home Depot another lady who gave me better advice and said I could use that primer. So it ended up, being a better deal. So tomorrow we will finish up actually 3 days later, we'll finish up the rest. But for you guys, this is only day 2. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, if you have any tips, go ahead. This is day 2. Thank you again for watching. You guys have a great one. Bye-bye.